Today we are going to create a super easy sun craft with a twist. Once the craft is completed, your kiddos will practice the motion and movement of how to thread from one pasta to another while working on their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Let's get started. Place your round object onto the white paper and trace all around it. Next, we want to cut it out. Just follow the pencil outline. Now it's time to paint your circle. You can ask your child to help you paint the circle yellow. Perfect. Now let it dry. While we are waiting for our circle to dry completely, let's paint some pasta. Let's go. Add pasta into the ziplock or a plastic container. Shake your paint and let's squeeze some in. Close your ziplock or your plastic container. If you have a container, you can shake it. Otherwise, you can massage the paint just like this. Once the pasta is covered in paint, you want to lay it flat and let it dry. Okay, I always recommend using some kind of plastic surface. Otherwise, the pasta can stick onto the paper. Now it's time to draw the face features on the circle. Winky eyes with eyelashes are always fun and super chic. Add 2 red circles for the cheeks, as well as another red circle for the lips. Finish the happy face design with a curvy line across the lips. Apply the glue on the back of the happy circle and glue it right in the middle of the cardboard. Press it down with your fingers. Once the pasta is dry, apply the glue on the back and stick it onto the cardboard. Make sure you leave enough space between each piece of pasta, as threading might be difficult if the pasta is too close to each other. I always like to add a little bead at the end of the thread, so the thread or yarn doesn't get lost while your child is threading the pasta. If you don't have a bead, you can always add another pasta at the end. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out more craft tutorials as well as art classes for your kiddos. See you next time. Ciao!